All right, what we got here is the Wagner Brake Quickstop ZX918s. These are semi-metallic disc brake pad set. Let me just open it up here. Got a few different plates and alignment girders, and okay, these are pretty heavy duty. Looking good there. These are going to restore your like new braking performance. They have OEM fit, informed design. They deliver consistent, even braking throughout the life of the brake pad. They will give you the reduced vibration for your application-specific design, reducing noise, causing vibration. The engineering here is consistent braking throughout the life of the pad, and you're really going to work it well with this zero copper formula. I picked these ones up in order to throw them on my, you can kind of see it over there, my 06 530xi from BMW. And if you're looking for a good brake pad to throw on your car, these should fit the ticket. Might want to check these out.